Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Entangled. In this video, we are going to unbox OnePlus 6, the latest flagship from OnePlus. So without any further ado, let's peel the plastic and open the box. Wow, there we have it, OnePlus 6 in all its glory. Let's keep the phone aside for a moment and see what else do we get in the box. We have the USB Type-A to Type-C cable. And now we have the famous dash charger, which can charge OnePlus 6 from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. OnePlus is nice enough to include a translucent phone case along with a pre-applied temper glass, reading manuals, and SIM ejector tool. Now we have seen the box contents, let's have a closer look at the phone itself. The back of the phone is made of glass protected with Gorilla Glass 5 and it is so reflective I could barely adjust using it as a mirror, not to mention that it was a fingerprint magnet. To the right, we have the very helpful alert slider and power button, which was less clicky than what I would have expected. To the left, we have SIM tray having 2 slots, no micro SD support, and the volume rockers. At the bottom of the phone, we have the almighty 3.5mm audio port, microphones, Type-C port, and speakers. Let's now boot up the phone. Let me set it up quickly. Meanwhile, you can have a quick glance at the specs of the phone. OnePlus 6 runs on Oxygen OS on top of Android Oreo. Oxygen OS is very close to stock Android and thus feels quite snappy. All the notch haters don't need to worry. The notch of OnePlus 6 can be disabled in settings with a future update. As of now, it can be done for selected apps. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.